All right, guys, so it's been a while since I've made any videos. I know that. So I just want to kind of catch you guys up. Beard's a little wider, and had some health issues that were self-inflicted that I've dealt with. And as you can see, I don't look like John Candy anymore. So I lost 88 pounds, and I ain't done yet. So what's the status on the Evo? Well, I'm sitting in it, so I still got it. I ain't getting rid of it. She's still running. Have a blowout issue when it's blowing out the spark. So, yeah, I guess that's to be expected when you put cheaper plugs that were in it. We had the guy that had the car before me had iridiums in it, so I'm gonna just put that back in there because obviously it was working. Anyway, so there's a few little things I want to do to the car. Cruising the coast is in 2 weeks. Family should be coming out. We'll see. I might be riding a 69 Chevelle, you know. Got to rep the muscle cars every now and then. I love muscle cars too. Of course, I'm more of an import guy. That's more my generation, but you know, we move. So what am I doing to the Evo today? Well, I took the hood struts off because they're garbage. Don't buy them unless you like huge hood gaps, and the fitment's horrible. After looking at the car, I was like, wow, this looks horrible. So those are gone. So if you see me pop the hood from now on and I use the prop rod, well, that's why. So what are we working on today? Let me flip this camera around. Hopefully I do it right. Let's see. So I'm gonna flip the camera around because you can't do it while you're filming. Thanks, iPhone. And I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So I've taped this off. As you can see, the fabric has left the party, so I'm gonna try to fix this. Bought this stuff here. Read it's what you need to use, you know, good stuff. So I'm gonna spray this on here, and I'm gonna put the material up. You know, obviously I think you guys can figure out how this is gonna go. So hopefully this goes okay, and if this works good on this side, I'll do the other side maybe later on this week or something. So I'm gonna get to work, and I'm gonna show you guys when this is done, because again, this is not groundbreaking stuff. Just want to kind of catch you guys up on what I'm doing to the Evo. All right, so this glue really dries pretty quick. I only used one coat because it said to spray it on there, shake the can up for 2 minutes or so, which I did. And then what I did was I took this panel remover and I kind of pushed all the material up, because I mean you can't really see the edge anywhere. Again, I am not an interior person whatsoever, so I'm just gonna let this marinate, and I'm gonna leave the tape on the door, and we shall see. Hopefully this does it. I'm gonna go do the other side. Oh, when you're spraying, make sure to watch for the window. The next window, I'm going to tape up all of this area here on top of where there's no tape, like this part here. I'm going to tape that up. I had to hurry up and get some remover, some carb cleaner to mitigate that glue there. So anyway, let's get started on the other side. Almost forgot to show you guys the other side. Yeah, right here is kind of material shrunk, it looks like, but it's not hanging and disgusting like it was before. And it's really stuck now. So still good, still good. Other side looks good. Show you guys. You ever saw a $1,326.94 license plate with probably the worst roads aside from Louisiana where I used to live? Oh, you just saw one. Whew. And it does look good. I mean, it's not saggy, it's bouncy like it's supposed to be. This side came out really good. Huh. All right, well, Well, guys, one part, don't mind the hair. So sorry it's been a while. I'll let you guess on what's going to happen next. Got all that organized. But yeah, pretty sure you can guess Ole Blue's gonna get some love next, huh? So the plan is put the Evo in the garage because probably that's where it should be living or should have been living. And again, due to my self-inflicted health issues, I was lazy and never got to the point where I organized everything to get the Evo put back in here, or put in here initially. So that's gonna be part of the plan. I'm gonna just put this thing on dollies, just maybe just to get out of the garage, because when I put it in the garage, it still had an engine in it, and it's gonna be difficult to get out without it being on dollies. So we'll see about that. I'll film the greatness when it goes on there. So, but yeah, I did do a couple of garage upgrades since it's been triple-digit heat for a few months. It's actually cooling down now, thank God. So I'm kind of used to the heat, like 85, 90 degrees, like ain't nothing now. You get used to the heat, and plus, again, I've lost a significant amount of weight, so I'm sure that helps too. But anyway, guys, I'm sorry it's been a while, but you know, life, work, all that good stuff kind of gets in the way of filming. So hopefully next week we will get to Ole Blue. I plan on it. Get it out of the garage, put the Evo in here. I still got a few things I want to do to the Evo. Again, cruising the coast is 2 weeks away. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking around this long. If you're at the end of the video, hope to see you guys next time. Share, comment, and subscribe so we can grow this channel, so I can do this for a living eventually. And I will see you guys later. Have a good one.